showing you a backyard at-home aquaponics system on a budget. All you need is a water pump, some pipes, some buckets, and maybe like some little screwy thingies. Yeah, that's about it. This is going to be the bucket for your fish. It needs to be at least twice as big as this bucket. And then this is going to be the bucket for your plants. In order for the plants to grow, we have expanded clay balls. What happens is our fish are going to populate and start creating ammonia and pooping and peeing in here. And then our fish are going to go into our solid waste container where I have a little meshy bag to catch any waste. We got this little thing right here, just making sure that our solid waste stays at the bottom. Super easy, just cut a hole in it, stick a pipe and cut it so that water can go in, but it's just a little bit more limited. We have our tubing about halfway down. And then some cleaner, but still yummy and nutritious fluid will go into your plants right here. And this is an exciting moment because our siphon's about to happen. We created a bell siphon. So we have one tube coming right here, and once the water hits this spot, we have our handmade siphon. Super easy to make. We got this spot on top, and then we put this one, and in just a moment, you will see the water start to suction the water from our plant tub out into our fish tub. So our fish have lost some water. It's gone to about right here, but it'll fill back up. So throughout the day, about like every 10-15 minutes or so, the water is going to rise and fall in both our plant and fishery so that our plant roots can get some oxygen, and then our fish are also getting some oxygen from the water just falling in. So the only thing that needs to be running is the water pump. Voila, guys! That's it for today. See you next time.